Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add follower alert on OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. Set up follower alerts on Streamlabs. Go to Streamlabs and log into your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account. Navigate to Alert box in the left menu. In the Followers tab, enable alerts and customize the message, sound, and animation. Click Copy URL at the top to copy your alert box link. 2. Add alert box to OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio and go to your scene. Click plus in the Sources panel and select Browser. Name it Follower Alert, then click OK. In the URL field, paste the Streamlabs alert box link you copied earlier. Set the width to 800 and height to 600, then click OK. 3. Test the alert. Go back to Streamlabs and click Test Follow Alert to see if it appears in OBS. Adjust the position and size in OBS if needed. And that's everything you need to know about how to add follower alert on OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.